Now, what if I told you that there's an easy and more lasting way to get those hands and feet looking all pretty and young, defying any age-related signs showing? Most of the time, we're focusing on how our face looks, and the hands and feet just seem like too much effort, although they make our beauty stand out just as much as the face does. So, is it possible to get softer, smoother, and more beautiful hands and feet with minimal effort? It's possible, yes. How? Just incorporate these 10 vitamins and minerals in your daily routine and start noticing a visible and more permanent difference in as little as a month, especially mineral number 10. Number 1. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect skin cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also promotes skin hydration, reduces dryness, and improves the overall texture of your skin, including on your hands and feet. Vitamin E promotes collagen production and prevents its breakdown. It also increases water retention and protects the skin from oxidative stress. This leads to tightening the skin. The best food sources of vitamin E are almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, avocados, and fortified cereals. The other alternate to food sources is applying vitamin E oil topically to hands and feet, especially the rough areas like heels or cuticles, or take it as a supplement for overall skin health. 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps skin firm and youthful. It also helps reduce dark spots, improve skin tone, and promote healing, making your hands and feet look smoother and more even. It is an antioxidant that fights damage done by sun exposure and air pollution. It can also fade hyperpigmentation by reducing melanin production. Vitamin C also helps reduce the appearance of scars. The best food sources of vitamin C are citrus fruits, like oranges or lemons, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and kiwi. You can also use a vitamin C serum or cream on your hands and feet, or consume it through diet or supplements. Next at number 3, vitamin B7 or biotin. Biotin plays a role in the body's production of keratin, which is known for strengthening nails and preventing brittleness. Strong, healthy nails appear smoother, less prone to splitting, and have a better overall appearance. Biotin also supports healthy skin by improving hydration and reducing dryness, which can make your hands and feet look more attractive. The best food sources of biotin are eggs, nuts, especially almonds, seeds, sweet potatoes, and salmon. You can take biotin supplements or incorporate biotin-rich foods into your diet. Number 4, omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help maintain skin elasticity, reduce inflammation, and keep skin hydrated. This can prevent cracked heels, dry hands, and rough skin. By enhancing skin hydration, omega-3 promotes a soft, supple, and youthful complexion, and by maintaining skin elasticity, ensures that the skin on hands and feet appears firm. The best food sources for getting omega-3 are fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and fish oil supplements. Number 5, zinc. One of zinc's many functions in the body is to aid the production of proteins such as collagen fibers and elastin. These proteins are what keep the skin firm, supple, and hydrated. Zinc supports skin repair and regeneration, helping to heal dry, cracked skin on your hands and feet. It also strengthens nails and prevents brittleness. The best food sources for zinc are pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, lentils, shellfish, and whole grains. Incorporate zinc-rich foods into your meals or take a zinc supplement if needed. Number 6, vitamin A. Vitamin A promotes cell turnover, the process of shedding old skin cells and generating new ones, leading to a more even and refreshed appearance. It helps keep skin smooth and radiant. It also prevents dryness and flakiness, making your hands and feet look softer and more youthful. The best food sources for vitamin A are sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, kale, and fortified dairy products. Use a retinol-based cream, a form of vitamin A, on your hands and feet, or consume vitamin A-rich foods. Number 7, magnesium. Magnesium helps improve circulation, which can reduce swelling and puffiness in the hands and feet. It also supports skin hydration and overall skin health. When applied through a topical treatment, this ingredient will work together with your skin's natural moisturizing capabilities to keep the complexion of your hands and feet supple, soft, and stunning. The best food sources for magnesium are dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and dark chocolate. The easiest way to use it is to soak your hands and feet in an Epsom salt magnesium sulfate bath to relax and rejuvenate the skin. Number 8, collagen. Collagen is a protein that keeps skin firm, soft, and elastic. Supplementing with collagen can improve skin texture, reduce wrinkles, and strengthen nails. It increases blood flow to the skin, which helps your hands and feet appear smooth and bright. The best food sources for collagen are bone broth, collagen supplements, and collagen-boosting foods like citrus fruits and berries. Or you can take collagen supplements or apply collagen-infused creams to your hands and feet. At number 9, we have silica. Silica is a trace mineral that strengthens nails, improves skin elasticity, and promotes healthy hair. It can make your hands and feet look more youthful and well-maintained. The best food sources for silica are sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, kale, and fortified dairy products. You can incorporate silica-rich foods into your diet or take a silica supplement. And very important, at number 10 is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a natural humectant that beautifies hands and feet by effectively hydrating the skin in these areas, which helps to plump up the skin, reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and create a smoother, softer texture, essentially making them look more youthful and well-maintained. This is because hyaluronic acid naturally attracts and retains moisture, acting like a sponge within the skin and makes it look more supple. The best food sources for hyaluronic acid are bone broth, soy-based foods, and supplements. Alternatively, you can use hyaluronic acid serums or creams on your hands and feet, or take it as a supplement. But don't miss these important tips along with your vitamins and minerals. First, drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Then, exfoliate regularly. Use a gentle scrub to remove dead skin cells and reveal softer skin. Also, moisturize daily. Apply a rich moisturizer or hand-foot cream containing shea butter, glycerin, or ceramides. And don't forget to protect them from sun damage by using sunscreen on your hands and feet to prevent age spots and wrinkles. And lastly, for your feet, wear comfortable shoes and avoid tight footwear to prevent calluses and blisters.